Little Pomeranian Red Standard Poodles. Pomeranian Coco Chanel. Bred to Dutch Pearls Heaven on Earth Aussie. They were 6 weeks yesterday. Yeah, Panahad, Indo-Pan, Indo-Kitten. Yes, Nana does not have a house when she has puppies. Nope, no house. She's not allowed to really live here. We all pretty busy. They came running down the hallway this morning. Oh, here we are, using our potty area. We're good babies. Not everybody's got the potty area down in here, but pretty much all of them do. Which is good, because I don't like to have to clean up 2 areas. Oh God, these guys are busy and real mean. Ooh, that had to hurt.